Google's I/O event has a record of unleashing captivating AI models. Looking at 2024 I/O, well, a lot happened at I/O 2024. We see so much opportunity ahead for creators, developers, startups, and everyone. So let's get started at unveiling a series of updates at I/O 2024. AI Model Momentum. At I/O 2024, a new version of Gemini, called Gemini 1.5 Flash, was announced. Gemini 1.5 is a lighter-weight model that's designed to be fast and efficient to serve at scale. It is the fastest Gemini model served in the API. It is available in public preview with a 1 million token context window on Google AI Studio and Vertex AI. In addition to Gemini 1.5, Super AI mode like Project Astra, Google's vision for the future of AI assistants, Trillium, the 6th generation of our custom AI accelerator, early prototype of audio overviews for Notebook LM, which uses a collection of updated materials to create a verbal discussion personalized for the user, was announced. Generative media models and lab experiments. At I/O 2024, Google announced Imagen 3, the highest quality image generation model ever developed. Unboxing its potential, Imagen 3 can understand natural language and the intent behind prompts. In addition, it incorporates small details from longer prompts, that is, summarizing longer prompts into a shorter and effective instruction. As a result, it generates an incredible level of detailed photorealistic images. Imagen 3 will also be coming to Vertex AI this summer. VEO Video Generator. VEO is a capable video generation model that can generate high-quality 1080p resolution videos that can go beyond a minute in a wide range of cinematic and visual styles. At I/O 2024, the capabilities of the video generator were displayed in generating YouTube shorts and collaborating with filmmakers in film projects. Music AI Sandbox. Google's Music AI Sandbox is a suite of music AI tools that allow people to create new instrumental sections from scratch, transfer styles between trackers, and much more, eliminating the laborious process of mixing and playing real instruments. There are real-time instrumentals produced with the Music Sandbox by Wycliffe Jean and Marc Robillé on YouTube. Video FX and Music FX. Video FX is an experimental tool that uses Google DeepMind's generative video model, Veo, and allows you to implement an idea into a video clip. Coupled with it is a storyboard mode that lets you iterate scene by scene and add music to your final video. Music FX has a new feature called DJ Mode that helps you mix beats by combining genres and instruments, using the power of generative AI to bring music stories to life. And lastly, generative media models are an improvement in Image FX. More editorial controls were added to Image FX. The editorial control was a top feature request from the user community. Now, you can add, remove, or change elements by simply brushing over your image. Improvement on the Gemini app. Gemini 1.5 Pro is a cutting-edge model announced at I/O 2024 to Gemini Advanced subscribers. Gemini Advanced now has a 1 million token context window and can do things like make sense of a 1,500-page PDF. Isn't that fascinating? In addition, it can upload files via Google Drive or directly from your device right into Gemini Advanced. Basic improvement on the Gemini app. Help you understand your data to uncover insights and build charts from uploaded data, be it spreadsheets or PDFs. A new planning feature that helps travelers create a list of suggested activities and custom itineraries. Gemini Live is a new mobile-first conversational experience that uses state-of-the-art speech technology to facilitate more natural and intuitive spoken conversations with Gemini. Furthermore, you can communicate and get a response in 10 natural-sounding voices. Plus, you can speak at your own pace or interrupt mid-response with clarifying questions. Also, Gemini in Google Messages now lets you chat with your friends without switching apps. Gemini Advanced subscribers will soon be able to create gems and customize Gemini to their desires and needs. To do this, simply describe what you want your gem to do and how you want it to respond, and Gemini will act on those instructions and create a gem for your specific needs. Updates that make search do the work for you. A new Gemini model that's customized for Google Search is designed to bring together Gemini's advanced capabilities, including multi-step reasoning, planning, and multimodality. So rather than breaking your question into multiple searches, you can ask complex questions like, find the best pizza or restaurant in Boston, and show details on their exclusive dishes, flavors, and distance away from Beacon Hill. There's an advancement in video understanding which enables you to ask questions with a video. A little step further, the search can take a complex visual question and figure it out for you, then explain the next steps and offer resources. Generative AI in search helps you to create an AI-organized results page when you're searching for fresh ideas. These AI-organized search result pages will be available when you're searching for categories like dining, recipes, movies, music, books, hotels, shopping, and more. Gemini models in workspace and photos. Gemini 1.5 Pro is available in the side panel in Gmail, Docs, Drive, Slides, and Sheets via Workspace Labs. And it will be available for Workspace customers and Google One AI Premium subscribers next month. A new feature enables you to summarize emails to get the most important details and action items. Help Me Write in Gmail and Docs will soon support Spanish and Portuguese. Later this year in Labs, you can even ask Gemini to automatically organize email attachments in Drive, generate a sheet with the data, and then analyze it with Data Q&A. For photo lovers, there's a new experimental feature in Google Photos called Ask Photos that makes it easier to locate specific memories or recall information included in your gallery. You can use Ask Photos to create a highlight gallery from a recent trip and write personalized captions for you to share on social media. Android advancements. Gemini Nano, an Android's built-in on-device foundation model used on Pixel, is improved to have multimodal capabilities. Beyond processing text input, Pixel phones will be able to understand more information in a context like sights, sounds, and spoken language. Gemini Nano facilitates the development of TalkBack, which is an accessibility feature for Android devices that enables blind and low vision people to use touch and spoken feedback to better interact with their devices. A new opt-in scam protection feature that uses Gemini Nano's on-device AI can detect scam phone calls in a privacy-preserving way. Circle to Search is currently available on more than 100 million Android devices. Students can use Circle to search for homework directly from their Android phones and tablets. Introduction to the second beta of Android 15. On Android 15, there's a theft detection lock that uses powerful Google AI to quickly lock down information on your phone whenever it has been snatched. A private space is coming to Android 15, which lets you choose apps to keep secure inside a separate space that requires an extra layer of authentication to open. Developments for developers. At I/O 2024, Google announced PaliGemma, a vision language open model that is optimized for visual Q&A and image captioning. Gemini models are now available to enable developers to be more productive in Android Studio, IDX, Firebase, Colab, VS Code, Cloud, and IntelliJ. Google AI Studio is now available in more than 200 countries, including the UK and EU. A new context caching feature was created in the Gemini API, which enables you to streamline workflows for large prompts by caching frequently used context files at lower costs. Android now provides first-class support for Kotlin multi-platform to help developers share their app's business logic across platforms. Resizable Emulator, Compose UI Check Mode, and Android device streaming, which are powered by Firebase, are new products that will help developers build for all form factors. A much-requested feature, View Transitions API for multi-page apps, is created for developers to easily build smooth, fluid app-like navigation regardless of site architecture. Project IDX is a new integrated developer experience for full-stack, multi-platform apps available for everyone. Responsible AI progress. And finally, on I/O 2024 is the red teaming. Red teaming is a proven practice of proactively testing AI systems for weaknesses and breaking them through a new technique called AI-assisted red teaming. This is a process Google adopted to ensure the safe use of its AI systems. LearnLM is a new family of models based on Gemini and fine-tuned for learning. LearnLM now is powering a range of features across our products, including Gemini, Search, YouTube, and Google Classroom. To expand its functions, Google will be partnering with experts from institutions like Columbia Teachers College, Arizona State University, NYU Tisch, and Khan Academy to refine and improve Learn LM. The tech company has partnered with MIT Raise to develop an online course that equips educators to effectively use generative AI in the classroom. In addition, a new experimental tool called Illuminate was built to make knowledge more accessible and digestible. Illuminate can generate a conversation consisting of two AI-generated voices, providing an overview of the key insights from research papers. That's all for Google I/O 2024. We hope you find a product that can boost your productivity in your workspace. If so, like the video and subscribe to our channel to enable more people to find these intriguing AI systems. We are on the lookout to update you on emerging technology trends. So don't forget to hit the notification bell to beep you whenever we post a new update. Till then, stay safe and curious.